updates also coming in of a high-level meeting that is likely to be held soon on rail safety and accidents, and a committee will investigate it, and this will be announced very soon. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us with the details. Sabyasachi, one accident too many. Details coming in of a high-level meeting being held on rail safety and accidents.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. See, at this particular time, that we are getting from the Railway Ministry is that a high-level meeting may be held soon on the railway safety and the accidents, and the committee to investigate the accident will be announced soon by the Railway Ministry. See, at this particular time, the Railway Ministry, the top leadership is present at the Rail Bhavan, where they are currently present at the war room looking at the situation currently. A high-level committee which it will be formed, which will investigate the entire matter. See, as from the sources, the reason behind this particular accident, we got to know that the goods train overshooted the signal and then hit the rear portion of the Kanchenjunga train, which was standing over there. And Kanchenjunga coach had two parcel van and guard coach in the rear, and the NDRF, the divisional team, and 15 ambulances are currently at the spot, and around 5 people have lost their lives so far, and 20 to 25 of the people have sustained injuries, and some of the people are feared to be trapped under, and the rescue operation is underway.
Okay, so the death toll is currently confirmed at 5, but there are fears that it could go up further. We are also playing out visuals from the accident site that shows the distraught passengers scrambling for help. They can be seen there. The passengers, the rest of them have been evacuated. There are fears that there could be more passengers in this mangled 3 bogies that have been derailed in the accident. But Sabyasachi, Railways will look into whether it was a technical error or whether it was a human error. But any error can end up in lives being lost, and rail safety must be of utmost importance.
See, that is the reason why this high-level committee will be formed. The committee will be formed and the announcement will be coming in anytime soon. See, the committee's main job would be to find out how this incident took place, whether there was some fault at the signal line, how the goods train had overshooted the signal and hit the rear part of the Kanchenjunga Express, which was already standing there, whether it was a fault of the control room or the lineman. All these things would be under the scanner of the committee to find out the reason behind this accident, because this accident that had happened is very unfortunate, because 5 people confirmed have lost their life and 20 to 25 people have sustained injuries, whereas the people who have sustained injuries, they have been taken to the nearby government hospital for the further treatment, and many people have sustained injuries or are still trapped there. So the rescue operation is going on, and from the ministry itself it has been confirmed that the goods train loco pilot have lost his life in this tragic incident.
Okay, so the loco pilot has lost his life. You mentioned that it was the goods train that hit the passenger train. That has also been confirmed as of now, but a detailed investigation will also be ordered in this regard. Adrija, take us through the response that has come in. Immediately after information came in, we also saw a response from the West Bengal Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, saying the police officials and ambulances are rushing to the spot.